shut the door. This case, you have to find a way to open it.
You need to work faster. They know we're on the train.
О, блин! Братишка, ты выиграл, да?
Да. Nothing to worry about. This one is completely clueless.
It was Mr. Bones' case. Could you guess any of the numbers? Don't stop now, you're halfway there.
Tell me, who is this person? CIA? MI6? KGB?
General, this is the one. I'm sure of it.
This one is dangerous. Look at the eyes.
I think it's time you got that second lock open. I knew you were the one.
No one thought you could do it, especially not Mr. Skeptical Guy.
Do you think you could help me open it?
But you did. You cracked the case. Who's laughing now? You are like a special agent, except you are you. She's impressed.
I'm very impressed.
And so was she. You put the crack back into case cracking. The world will never be the same.
I'll be sure to tell James about you. I hope we have the chance to meet again.